Greetings everyone, this is Z at Happy Gut Happy Life. Today I will be making one of my favorite dishes, my delicious vegan chicken nuggets and fries, made from lion's mane mushrooms and burro bananas. Lion's mane mushrooms is also used as a medicinal mushroom. By using lion's mane mushrooms or consuming lion's mane mushrooms, you can improve your brain functions and improve your focus and your overall well-being, which is needed, more than needed in this mad society.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, cause we're great. Standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. Every little inch of my skin.
Okay, what we're going to do is go ahead and grill the lion's mane mushroom to release water content for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to grill it because you don't want a soggy chicken nugget. So as you can see, there's some water content that has been dripping on dried out on the grill itself, the grill plate. And what we're going to do for our batter, we're going to first make our batter. We're going to use garbanzo bean flour. We're going to use about a tablespoon of lemon zest. And we're going to use about a tablespoon and a half of dill. That lemon zest and dill is so delicious. And we're going to add salt to taste. And one thing I want to say about dill is rich in antioxidants, and it's a good source of vitamin C, magnesium, and vitamin A, and it protects against heart disease and cancer. So once we batter everything in the batter, we're going to put the mushrooms into the batter, and then we're going to coat them with the flour, garbanzo bean flour. You can add whatever seasoning you want, and then we're going to fry it in grapeseed oil. About maybe that's probably a cup of grapeseed oil, and just let them fry till they get nice, crispy, golden, crispy brown. And then we're going to go ahead cut up our burro bananas, and we're going to cut them like fries. And what you're just going to do, just cut them like French fries, and you're going to add a dash of salt. But burro bananas, they have very little fat and are very low in calories. They're high in potassium, contain a significant amount of vitamin B, vitamin C, fiber, and magnesium, phosphorus, calcium. They're high in iron, and it's good for people who have anemia because it has a high iron content. And it has zinc and copper and selenium. They're anti-inflammatory, and like I said before, they treat anemia. They aid in menstrual health, protect bone health, and a host of other benefits. And they are so delicious. They taste almost like potatoes, but they have a better texture, more a more firmer texture than potatoes, and they're not as starchy You don't taste the starch in boiled bananas. And these are the green ones. You can let them ripe and you cook them like plantains, but they are so delicious and don't need a lot of salt. Just sprinkle a little salt, and you can make your ketchup or use organic ketchup, whatever. They are so delicious. You can make fries with them. You can make potato, like barrel salad, aka mock potato salad. You can make mashed barrel, like the mashed potatoes. They're just healthier than potatoes. But this is the final results here, and for the sauce, I basically use like just mustard and vegan mayonnaise, and that's it. And for the dipping sauce, and I dip the nuggets in there. Like I said, you can use whatever sauce you want to use. It's your vegan chicken nuggets and barrel fries. Enjoy. This is a quick recipe. It's healthy. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals there, and just enjoy. It's a good substitute for potatoes. Please subscribe, comment, and like this channel so that we can continue to produce more healthy, nutritious recipes. And our whole goal in life is to eat to heal. Peace and vegan love.